Hi, my name is Luca, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create a website using GreenGeeks. We will start by creating your GreenGeeks account and choosing the right hosting plan for your website. Next, we will pick a domain name, whether it's yourname.com, yourbusiness.com, or anything else you want. I will also walk you through GreenGeeks AI website builder, point out its limitation, and help you decide whether it's worth using or not. Then I will show you also the traditional way to build a WordPress website from scratch. In this tutorial, we will use only free tools, so the only cost will be the hosting. Even if you have never built a website before, I will go and walk you step by step through the entire process. By the end of the video, you will have everything you need to build a professional, fully functional website with GreenGeeks. So let's get started. Now, if we look at GreenGeeks in terms of all the classical measures, they do have really good uptime and they have also really good response time. They're one of the cheapest options how to get good, fully functional, professional web hosting service inside here without any problems. So now, let me go and showcase you how you can go and actually build a website with them and what is the best way to do it. First step is going to be setting up our GreenGeeks account. To get the best possible price, I recommend using the link in the description or going to lucanows.com/GreenGeeks, where GreenGeeks usually shows their latest discounts and promotions. Once you are on the website, click Get Started Now. We will see 3 hosting plans. Right away, I will say this. The most expensive plan isn't worth it for most people, so we can ignore it. That leaves us with choice between the Lite and Pro plans. The main difference is traffic. If you expect up to about 10 to 20,000 visitors per month, the Lite plan is more than enough. If you expect more traffic than that, I would recommend going with Pro plan. Feature-wise, both plans are very similar. With the Lite plan, you will miss out on few extras like on-demand support tools and advanced backups, but nothing essential for getting started. For this video, I will go with the cheaper plan, the Lite plan, but the sign-up process and everything else is exactly the same. So the next, we need to go and choose a domain name. You will notice that available top-level domains are a bit limited, so I would recommend going with .com domain because it's available. After that, we will review the card. GreenGeeks includes WHOIS privacy by default, which hides your personal information from the public. This is something you definitely want to keep enabled. You can also review the billing term length, but honestly, the setup is designed so that there is really only one option that makes sense. One important thing to change here is the server location. You should set this as close as possible to where most of your visitors will be. In my case, that's the United States. After adjusting that, the final price comes out to $45.35. After the checkout, I personally ran into few problems with GreenGeeks. As you can see in here, they couldn't immediately validate my order. That meant that I had to wait between 10 to 15 minutes to receive email that everything went through and I could actually log into my account. So keep in mind that all of your login details might be arriving into your email. And you will also receive a confirmation code, which can take few minutes to arrive. Once everything was verified, you will be taken to your GreenGeeks account dashboard. Here you can fill up all the remaining account details. Your SSL certificate and domain should be set up automatically, but as with a lot of domain setups, those are really new, so it can take few hours to fully propagate. Now let's take a look at website creation option. If we want to go and start creating a website, we want to go under WordPress, and you will see 3 choices. It's important to know that GreenGeeks, they don't offer a standard website builder of their own. They're instead using kind of plugin connected with WordPress. So this is going to be the first AI option in here. Then we have second, classical clean WordPress setup, and also WooCommerce option for building an online store. Firstly, I decided to start with the AI website builder in here. The setup was easy. I had to describe the site, I described a surfing destination website, and click through a few customization options. The templates here are honestly okay, but nothing particularly impressive. After that, GreenGeeks will automatically import all the site files. In here, you will also see a built-in option. It looks like a ChatGPT assistant. It works on simple things like changing a site title, but anything more specific or advanced, and it quickly becomes absolutely unhelpful. At that point, using Google or ChatGPT directly gives you the same result. For the editing of the site, you will be limited to the default WordPress block editor. It's fine for small changes, but for anything more advanced, it becomes frustrating very quickly. I also decided to go and try install classical Elementor to see if it would work. One of the most popular drag and drop editor, and it didn't work with this AI generated template. Even something as simple as changing a section background caused a layout issue. As you can see in here, the background image was set up completely wrong. Now, based on my personal experience testing this AI tool, I don't think it's worth it at all. I strongly recommend going with a clean WordPress setup from the start. GreenGeeks works much better that way. The sign-up process is the same, and building a clean, fully functional, mobile-optimized website is actually very straightforward. I have even made a separate video completely following this structure as I do with every single web hosting I review, so that I can go and compare them on the exactly same specification. So if you want to go and see it, please go and review this video. If you find this video helpful, feel free to use my links in the description under the video. This is everything from me. Have a nice day and goodbye.